How is this? How's this landscape? Do you like seeing me this close to you? Do you like seeing this man purring in the background? Do let me know. Actually, I'm very intrigued to know about that. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're clicking on this video, odds are you probably aren't someone that's subscribed to my channel. You probably have stumbled upon this video while searching for PC builds, which in that case, welcome to my channel. My name is Dominique. I don't often make this type of content. I'm sorry to disappoint you. This is probably the first and close to the last PC video you'll see on this channel. If you don't know me, I make planner videos a lot, which is so far from the realm of computers and gaming. I also make Etsy vlogs because I own an Etsy. If you need a candle, hit me up. The link is down below. I have a lot of great candles, and I do make book videos sometimes, but I'm a little bit illiterate, so I don't read. That's just life, and that's just my channel. So if you're one of my subscribers, you come here for planner videos, book videos, and Etsy videos. You don't come here for PC videos. However, let's go down this lane together. Let's make a PC video. Let's make a PC. Saying that out loud is kind of scary. Looking at all of these parts. Oh, I tried to do a fancy setup. Rate my setup in the comments, please. I feel incompetent, and I decided, why not make a video? So let's just get this out of the way. Don't come to this video for information, please. Like, maybe you can learn a few things, but don't let this be your main source of information on building a PC. Otherwise, I'm afraid that your PC could come out bad. And that's just the truth. I'll do my best to hand over the knowledge I might have, but again, very little knowledge exists in this brain. That's okay. I'm just here. I'm just gonna try and make this entertaining. I'm gonna try and make this PC. I'm kind of hyping it. I know I have the capabilities to build a PC, as does anyone. It's kind of fun and interesting. So you're seeing like different PC parts all around. That's what makes the computer. We're gonna put these parts together to make a computer, and the computer sits inside this case, which, let me show you this case. Okay, this is my computer case. Isn't she great? Sometimes I just like think about the things I'm saying and doing, and I'm like, bro, have you ever had a coherent thought in your life? Yeah. I don't remember the name of this case, but I will link the case down. I'll link everything down below in case you're interested. But this is my chastity, my case, my tower, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. I'm calling it a case because that makes sense to me. It's just a sleek, all white case. Pink is more like, you know, what I'm going for, who I am, who I want to be. So I think it only makes sense that I spray paint this case pink, but I'm really nervous about it. Really nervous. So I unscrewed right here. One of the screw is the only thing holding this in. This is the panel. We're taking it off, and it's gonna stay off till the end of the build. Hello, that makes sense. So now, let me run you through the basics of a case because I'm so knowledgeable and I understand everything. I know everything about everything. Okay, this is more fun to me than the professional videos because, like, come on. This bag of life, the professional PC builders wish they were doing it like me. This is where your motherboard will be mounted. We'll get to that. Is behind this, and on the back is where we will install the power supply. So I think if I want to spray paint this, I'm gonna have to like take all the white parts off, which I'm like looking at it. I don't think it's worth it. I can't decide if I want to spray paint my case now or not. I mean, I want to, but like, I want to do it without fucking shit up, you know? Also, I hope that was an adequate case tour. We'll get more familiar when we get inside. That's what she said. Okay, so here's what I've decided. I am gonna spray paint it. I have pink spray, but it doesn't sound like it would be able to like do the whole thing. I also happen to have like 3 other colors, and I am a whore for pastel color blocking, so I think that my PC is about to be real banging, real fucking cute. And the hoes are mad. I could hear you right now. What's that? Oh, you're mad. Okay, I get it. Your PC's ugly. That's not my problem.
Zone 4. Yeah. Get money. New money. Been waiting on. Hey, rich boy said quick.
Hello, I finished spray painting my case, as you can tell by my hands. So I notice a lot that in these like building videos or whatever, they just get the case. It's plain, it's white, it's whatever. You can find some different cases that are cute, but bitch, if I'm gonna have to look at this big ass brick in my room for the rest of my life, it's not gonna be white. I'm so sorry that you thought that. I'm literally so sorry. That's so sad. So I did the back panel purple because I had the most purple, and I don't know, purple is not my jam, so like I'm seeing the least of that. I did the front, the shroud pink, because that also makes sense to me because that's my favorite color. Yellow on the top, I don't know, mint on the side. And okay, so if you don't know me, I'm pretty much like, whatever, it's gonna happen. I'm a very messy, like just whatever is happening type of crafter, painter, artist, etc. Like it's just my aesthetic, just to do it, and like what happens, that's life. Okay, so it's very cute. I'm gonna show you. There's spray paint splatters everywhere, which is like kind of my aesthetic. I'm not mad. I didn't like get anywhere that's important because obviously all the important parts are upstairs and everything in here that's important is covered. So I'm not worried. If you're worried, I'm sorry. Don't be worried, bitch. We're fine. Let's go. We got the motherfucking color blocking going on, bitch. That's mint, that's pink, that's yellow. The back is fucking purple. These hoes are mad, and I know it. All right, now we're back for arguably the most important part of this build, the actual building. The motherboard is the main component of the computer. Well, not really. It just kind of houses everything, right? So the motherboard I chose was the Tomahawk B450. This is so cool. This is like one of the coolest things I've ever done. Okay, so first things first, I am the realist. Basically how we're gonna start is by installing our CPU. I went with the Ryzen 5 3600. It's 6 core 12 thread, pretty dope, sick, nasty, tight, awesome, hoobastink. Well, yeah. So here's the CPU. The back of it, oh, don't you love how I'm just throwing it around? Has these gold pins that you do not want to touch. You don't want to touch them at all because they're fragile. They're delicate. If you bend them, your shit will be fucked up. So now I'm shaking. So on your CPU, there's gonna be a gold arrow. Do you see that? Do you see that gold arrow down here? It's so hard to see. There's a tiny gold arrow. You could kind of see it. That's ghetto, I'm sorry. And you're gonna wanna match that arrow up. The arrow on your, okay, so the CPU is gonna get installed right here. You're gonna lift up this prong. Bitch. Okay, now it's ready to get loaded into. The matching arrow is right here. So basically these are holes. These are holes, these are gold pins. Basically, all we're fucking doing is putting this on here. You don't want to press it down. You should just be able to see, like that. It just sinks right in because, like I said, pins and holes. It's pretty simple. It's in. And then all you do is press the lever down. Again, CPU installed. It's really freaking crazy, isn't it? This looks intimidating. I'm sitting here looking at it, I'm intimidated. However, like, I don't know where the wires go. I feel like I'm incompetent. I don't know what's going on. All true things, but everything is labeled, and when you pretty much know the parts you're working with, you're able to figure out what is supposed to go where, so you're gonna be fine. Everything's fine. Over here, this says CPU fan 1, which leads me to believe that the CPU fan, which is this, because this is our CPU, this is our fan, is gonna get plugged into that. Okay, at this point I forgot to mention that I had to like unscrew the sprockets or the standy things. I don't know what they're called, but I had to unscrew them, and then I had to screw in the fan. Then you want to screw it down. So then you want to, this is where this thing called cable management comes in, and I think I flopped at it already. But the next thing that I do know how to do is the memory. So I just have this very basic Ripjaw 5, I think it's an 8 gig kit. So two sticks of 4 gig memory, I think. Surely. Yep, it's just a Ripjaw 5 DDR4 3600, I believe. I don't know why I can't remember what it is. So basically what you want to do is pop 2 of these open. It's really simple. You just pop them open and you stick them in. Is there a way to break these? I'm so nervous. This is so nerve-wracking. Oh! Okay, you do have to push. Okay, FYI, they always say that this is gonna, you push it in hard. Oh my gosh, you got it. You don't be scared, just push it in hard. The CPU fan plugs in exactly where I thought it did, in the spot called CPU fan. Okay, now we get to install this into our case. Come on, let's go. Hey, cool cats, we're back, and then this man is literally praying for us. Hello. We're back with our case. We're back with our completed motherfucking motherboard, baby. So basically how you put this in, there are these things called standoffs inside of the case. I don't know, can you even see that? Am I gonna have to flip it around to show you? Fine. They're basically just little pegs, right? You just put your board on them. As you can see on our motherboard, there's these holes. Do you see that hole? Because I can see you through the hole. There's those holes, 6 holes throughout the motherboard. Oh, brother. Oh, okay, that makes sense. I was like, hold on, it doesn't fit. The motherboard goes this way, bitch. I can't stand you. I mean, this motherfucker's huge. Oh my god. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Pretty much you just have to match up the standoffs with the holes on the case. And I feel like I don't have them correctly, because why is my motherboard sticking out? Oh, pfft, no shit. Okay, my dumbass. Okay, hold on, bitch. You're so fucking stupid. I can't stand you. Right here, all this shit, that's really important. And I don't know why I forgot that was a thing. Hold on. This is why they watch the professionals. Alright, so basically, your motherboard is going to come with an I/O shield, which is slightly important as it has, you know, everything. It's a metal shield. It's literally an I/O shield because, hey, bitch, this is your I/O. Bitch, this is the shield. So you're going to actually want to install this into the side of your case. Look. You see this whole, oh my god. I feel so bad that you guys have to see this. Y'all are probably sick. But I think this kind of looks dope. This splatter on my case. Like, I know hoes are watching this and they're mad. I know the PC bros are mad. But, I think it looks kind of fire. So anyways, now that the shield is on, you just gotta put your motherboard on the standoffs. Finally got the standoffs and everything to line up. So now I'm gonna screw in my motherboard, and I'm literally like, oh my god, you fucking built a computer already, but you already kind of did it. For all of that, I finally got the motherboard in. Look at her. Look at her. Good job. So next I would install my case fans, but they're not here yet, so I'm sorry. Just imagine some cute pink RGB fans right there. I'll worry about connecting them when they get here, I guess. I'm gonna put my power supply in next, actually. Fuck. Basically just screw it in. Here's our power. That's how it gets power. But it's got all of this and a bunch of cables that we're gonna be plugging in. So, time to figure that out. My fucking hard drive, my fucking whatever. It's a Seagate Barracuda, 2 terabytes. It was about 60 bucks. I say that's pretty good. So we can install it down here and then screw it in. It took me like an hour and a half to figure out all the plugs, so I didn't film it because nobody wanted to watch me like struggle trying to plug things in, but I figured it out. It was actually very hard. I thought I was gonna die, but I made it. So enjoy me installing my graphics card. The graphics card I went with is the Geforce RTX 2060. This is from Evga. Honestly, don't ask. Aww, it's so cute. It took us all day, bitch. It took us all fucking day. It took us all day, right? Bitch. I figured it out. I didn't put the lids back on because that's bad luck. I don't want to get no bad juju, so we're gonna screws are loose. We're gonna boot it up. I might insert some clips of me acting a fool while I powered this up because it was very funny. Yo, motherfuckers, you gotta fucking listen to this shit. Bitch, that's the sound of a genius. Yes, she's a fucking genius. Yes, what the fuck can't she do, huh? What can she do? But, it works. My computer is done. Hello, let's get this. This is, oh, fuck. Come on. Serve, queen, serve. Put in work. Put in work. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes! And that's the end of my build. I did it. However, I will say, whatever you saw me, like however I installed my RAM was not correct. I put them into the wrong DIMM slots. They weren't supposed to go in those DIMM slots, so I had to end up switching them later. Also, my pink fans came. Hello, that's them. I didn't show me installing my SSD because it wasn't there yet, which I had to wait for like 5 days before I could turn my computer on and like get Windows set up, because that's what Windows runs off of. It runs off the SSD, but it's in there now. Also, this is her. Also, cable management not looking so great because we're on the wrong side of my room. I've set up on the wrong side of my room. Also, yes, I'm using my TV as a monitor. There's a lot going on here. However, I don't want to have to move all of my bookshelves to this side of my room. I could do that, then this back side would be facing the wall because it'd be flipped and everything would look better. I mean, it looks fine. Like, this looks dope, okay? Oh, I also put Hello Kitty in there. I trapped her. So that's my build. That's my setup. Oh, I didn't even show the setup really, but that's just an FYI. Don't try and come for me for this. If I wasn't lazy, it would be over there and you would not see this, but you're seeing that because I'm lazy. I use my TV as my monitor because I haven't bought a monitor and I'm too lazy, but someday I'll buy a real monitor. I'll buy 2 and it'll be nice and I won't have to look at a TV and ruin my eyes. Also, I'm watching Fuya, who's like my favorite streamer. Here's my shit. Obviously, it's doing a rainbow thing. I don't know how to change the lights on this. This brand is Red Dragon. It just came in a set. It was cheap. It was easy. Here's the PC finished, done. She runs like a dream. And that's okay. My phone is plugged in. That's what you're seeing here. Excuse the mess. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it at the very least. If you didn't learn anything, I'm sorry. I did warn you. I warned you, so you can't be mad, but I do hope you enjoyed it. Here's my PC. I'm just very proud I did this. This is very fun. It's very cool. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still watching, peace out. I hope you have a lovely day. Come back for more content. I can't say it will be PC content, but I can say it will be content to some degree. I got a Valorant drop, so leave your things down below, baby. Let's run it up. Peace out, boy.
Zone 4. Get money, get money, get money. New money, new money been waiting on. Hey, rich boy said it quick, niggas wanna check shit.